Good morning, students. Now, in last class, we discussed about the geomorphic processes, endogenic process, and the exogenic process. All these processes in inner part of the Earth surface, that is known as the endogenic process, and upper part of the Earth known as the exogenic processes. In last class, we discussed about the endogenic process. Endogenic process like here the diastrophic and the volcanic. All these processes here are responsible for the creation of the landforms on the surface. And here today we will discuss about the exogenic processes. Exogenic process try to level the all the earth surface. Now here start about the exogenic process with your book. Exogenic processes. The exogenic processes derive their energy from atmosphere, determined by ultimate energy from the sun, and also the gradient created by tectonic factors. So here we discuss about the exogenic processes. Here the exogenic processes, the energy of the sun and the energy of the internal processes like here the endogenetic processes. What create here? The many type of the landforms create here by endogenetic processes, and the exogenetic processes try to level the earth surface. And here the exogenic processes derive their energy from atmosphere. Energy कहाँ से मिल रही है? From the atmosphere, like here the sun, and by the ultimate energy from the sun, and also gradient created by tectonic factors. And here the many type of the tectonic factors from the, and here the two processes या energy sources here for the exogenetic forces. एक तो एंडोजेनिक प्रोसेस से जो हमें एनर्जी मिल रही है. Next here the energy received from the sun. So two here the sources for here the changes by the exogenic process occur here the exogenic processes, endogenic process and the sun energy. Endogenic processes energy and the sun energy, and here the many changes found on the surface. And here the also responsible the gravity force. Gravitational force acts upon all earth materials having a sloping surface and tend to produce movement of matter in downslope direction. So by the gravitational force, what happened here? Then here this is slope here, and the gravitational force work here. The matter क्या हो रहा है according to slope? The matter here work according to slope के according क्या हो रहा है ना, नीचे आ रहा है ना, ठीक है. The gravitational force acts upon the all earth materials having a sloping surface. जो sloping surface होता है वहां पे gravitational force work कर रहा है, and tend to produce movement of matter in down slope, and tend to movement of the down slope. ये जो matter है वो कहाँ आ रहा है? नीचे आ रहा है ना. By what was the reason here? The gravitational force. Here the main reason is the gravitational force. The force applied per unit area is called the stress. Then here force applied per unit area is called stress. Here the word stress. Force applied per unit region, per unit area. जैसे ये per unit region here, ठीक है. This per unit region here, here the changes found here. The what changes? Change in the shape of the matter and the change of the shape of the volume. और the responsible here the force is stress. यहाँ पे जो responsible force है वो क्या है ना? Stress है. The change in the shape of the matter and the shape of the volume, and here the responsible is the stress. Stress से क्या हो रहा है? इसमें जो matter है उसमें changes हो रहा है, किसमें? shape में और volume में. हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं व्हाट इज हियर द एक्सोजेनिक प्रोसेस. और एक्सोजेनिक प्रोसेस में होगा क्या कि जो अपर लैंडफॉर्म है उनमें चेंजेस होने वाले हैं, और चेंजेस होने के बाद क्या हो रहा है, जो सरफेस है वो इक्वल होने के लिए यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हैं एक्सोजेनेटिक फोर्सेस. एंड हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रेस, एंड हियर द व्हाट स्ट्रेस? हियर स्ट्रेस change the shape and the volume of the matter. Clear? The stress is produced in a solid by pushing or pulling. Then stress is produced. Stress कैसे produce हो रहा है? By solid in a solid pushing and the pulling, and this index deformation, और इसे क्या रहा? Deformation, इसका टूटना start हो रहा है. Then here they start the many processes like weathering, movement and erosion processes. ठीक है? Stress. Next here, forces acting along the faces of earth material are shear stress, and here we discuss about the shear. But the weathering processes, weathering processes, many changes found in the rocks here. The and here the found that cline here. Cline mean क्या होता है? यहाँ पे जो मेटर है या जो रॉक्स है, उस रॉक्स में क्या होने लगता है? इन यहाँ पे दैट इज हियर द झुकाव, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? व्हाट इज चेंज हियर? द झुकाव, घुमाव इसमें उत्पन्न होता है. देन हियर द व्हाट ऑक्यूर हियर? द झुकाव एंड occur here the climb here. ठीक है? Then here what here? The two word here, stress and shear. Stress and shear is responsible for the exogenetic processes. Exogenetic processes like weathering, mass movement, erosion and the deposition. And stress and the shear is responsible. Yeah, stress and the shear is here the exogenetic force for the exogenic processes. For the exogenic processes. So many type of the changes occur by the stress and the shear. What here? The shape and the volume of the rock or matter is changes by the stress. And here what here? The shear change also here. The shear change also here. The shape change also here. The position of the rocks. And the both forces are work here. And what was the result here? Then here the result here, the matter start one place to the another place. ये मैटर क्या होने लगता है ना? यहाँ से एक प्लेस से कहाँ पे जाने लगता है? Other place. Then here the volume and the shape change the matter. Then here the forces work here and the matter start to here change their places. This is according to the shear stress. It is the stress that breaks rocks. Stress क्या कर रहा है? Break rocks here. That is called also weathering and other earth materials. Clear? The shear stress result in an angular displacement or slippage. What? Angular displacement. The matter यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है, that is called the displacement. ये एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहा है ना, that is called the displacement and also this called the slippage. इसे फिसलना जिसे बोलते हैं. यहाँ से फिसल कर क्या हो रहा है? दूसरी जगह पे जा रहा है. And here the work also the work here the stress, shear and the gravitational force. The shear stress result in the angular displacement or slippage. Besides the gravitational stress, the earth materials become subjected to molecular stress that may be caused by a number of factors, amongst which temperature and the changes. So here the also responsible stress, shear, gravitational force, and also here the responsible the molecular stresses also. Like here the temperature and the precipitation. Clear? Crystallization and the melting are the most common chemical processes normally lead to losing of bonds between grains, dissolving of soluble minerals or cementing materials. So what here the chemical process also responsible. Then from chemical processes, these rocks scattered particles scattered here. Then here the water erogenic factor work with this water. Then here the dissolve these particle and here the changes found in this. And thus the basic region that leads to weathering, and here the all these are the basic region. What is basic region? Stress, shear, gravitational force and molecular processes also, and all these are the responsible for weathering, mass movement, erosion and the deposition. All these are responsible for the exogenic forces. Temperature and the precipitation are the two important climatic elements to control various processes, and here the also responsible temperature and the precipitation, and the different region had the different temperature and the precipitation, then had the different changes found in the different places. So all the exogenetic geomorphic processes are the covered under a general term denudation, and that is called the denudation. What is denudation? Then we include all these processes like weathering, mass movement, erosion, and the deposition. All these processes are included in this word. The name is denudation. What is denudation? Particular we can say weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion, that is known the denudation. जब weathering और erosion साथ साथ होता ना, that is called the denudation. All these here the exogenic processes have happened. That is called the denudation in the word. The word denude to mean strip off the uncover. क्या करना? rocks को uncover करना. Weathering, mass wasting, movements, erosion and the transportation are included in denudation. So all these exogenic process include in denudation. Then here it should become clear from the chart for each process that exerts a distinct driving force of energy. Clear? यहाँ पे हमने आज स्टडी क्या किया कि स्ट्रेस, शियर, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स एंड टेम्परेचर, प्रेसिपिटेशन, ऑल दीज आर द रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एक्सोजेनिक प्रोसेसेस लाइक वेदरिंग, मास मूवमेंट, erosion and the deposition and the deposition, and all these exogenic processes are known as the word denudation.